taken for the mark. The way they go, Fiji. This is like 7 stone, isn't it? Tuisubu, the fullback. Here's the late play, and here's the opportunity for Nea Saliva,
who's playing in the Premiership with Gloucester. Tennis sends it on. Volvo was involved, and they've got width on it now, and away they go down the left and try through Posi, and there's men over, and that's a brilliant try from Fiji. Calavetti will Volvo with the
work, but somehow the ball still ends up in the possession of the Fijians. Here goes Randrandra again, floated pass out to Ravuthamanda. Ravuthamanda showing Johnny May a clean pair of heels, and then the offload, and with 14 men on the pitch for the second.
Matabasi throws, and a good move down the blind side. Matabasi almost there.
Keller. Here they come. There's a chance for Fiji. Kunavula. What about the little offload? Hambasi! Oh, Fiji! How good are you?
And there goes Kurivoli. Out there to the fullback, throw Assisi. Oh, he's up and running, and look at Fiji here! Hambasi! Lamani decides to go wide. Out on the wing there is Tuathuvu, and how close to...
Lucky not to shoot out of the line, and he put in a pretty good tackle on Tuisubu, and wriggling away into the space is Vanakolo, and he's almost there. Great offload into the hands of Kuravali, and they've got their
they've got plenty of power, not just those silky skills. Brilliant from Volo. The offloading is magnificent.
Places it back for Lamani. Now they try and get a bit of width on the ball here. Fiji players in motion. This is brilliant from Fiji.
Fantastic interplay. Langi with the inside ball to Nea level, and then it was good night nurse. He went all the way.
The scrum has been excellent in the opening 29 minutes. Continues to be the case. Lomani, still Lomani.
Lealefano stayed wide. Toala up from fullback, looking to get Tamua Manu in the game through the kick. Ravovo, solid carry from Ravovo, got the pass away. This is Fiji at their finest. Ravuthamanda has a clear line ahead, support inside, and the try is
Flying Fijians. Is Australia A forced to adjust? Matavisi squeezes the ball back, a bang left-hand fend from Tamani Valu.
Now beginning to open things up a little bit. Muri Valu, Papa as they call him, coming in to make a difference. Lamani out to Tuisova, fends off one, drives through the fullback. The little offload is inside, and the ball.
Ball loose, goes backwards, and here they come again. This is what they do best, Fiji. Now there's some space. What's the defence like from Tonga? Lomani still going here, Fiji. Oh, it's on! They're going to have another one!
Better match hardening from this tournament. They need to show it now as the game moves into the final quarter. Down through from Vola. Where's the cover? Beautiful. It's not going to be there in
takes all the work from the scrum off. Still there, flicked it in the field of play, knocked and intercepted from Lamani. Here comes Fiji. Tuimamba puts his foot down. Aminiasi Tuimamba looking to rob the bank. Tuimamba. That's Cashman.
Very good scrum, is having a fantastic day at night. So too the captain, Nea Saliva. He's got players in support. And Tuithuvu Setariki. Charge again. Tuisui. Oh, lovely play from the prop forwards, and there it is. Dorina Langi, and off beautifully to his replacement.
How that transfers into possession, certainly later in both halves. Randrandra looking for crash ball. It comes out to Nemani Nandolo, and Nandolo's going in the corner. Well, 72.